Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a unique product to review that caught our eye, the Cooluli Vibe Mini Fridge. We found this compact and versatile fridge online, and we've added the link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Cooluli Vibe Mini Fridge? This is a 15-liter thermoelectric cooler and warmer, designed to be both sleek and portable. It measures 10.5 inches wide, 12.75 inches deep, and 14.75 inches high, weighing in at just under 10 pounds. This mini fridge is perfect for anyone looking for a convenient way to keep their food and drinks cool or warm, no matter where they are. One of the standout features of the Cooluli Vibe is its ability to quickly switch between cooling and warming with just a simple flip of a switch. This means you can store your beverages chilled for a picnic, and then warm up some food when you're back home. It's incredibly versatile and functional, making it suitable for a wide range of uses. This mini fridge is perfect for a variety of users. If you're a student living in a dorm, this fridge is a great addition to your space. It can keep your snacks and drinks cold while also serving as a convenient warming unit for late-night food cravings. For those who work in an office, the Cooluli Vibe can keep your lunch fresh and your beverages at the perfect temperature throughout the day. And let's not forget about parents. This fridge is excellent for storing breast milk, medications, or even skincare products, all while keeping them at the right temperature. If you're someone who travels frequently, you'll appreciate its lightweight design and dual voltage feature, which allows it to work anywhere in the world, whether plugged into a wall outlet or in your car. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. The Cooluli Vibe Mini Fridge can be a game changer during road trips. Picture this: you're on a long drive, and instead of stopping frequently for drinks or snacks, you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Not only does this save time, but it also keeps your food and drinks at the ideal temperature without the need for constant stops. Another great feature of the Cooluli Vibe is its magnetic dry erase whiteboard front. This innovative design lets you store magnets and keep important notes or memos handy. Whether it's reminders for your office tasks, grocery lists, or motivational quotes, this fridge doubles as a functional tool in any setting. Just keep in mind that dry erase markers are not included. In terms of technology, the Cooluli Vibe is equipped with EcoMax technology, which is eco-friendly and energy efficient. This means you can enjoy its benefits without worrying about excessive energy consumption or frost buildup, making it a truly sustainable choice. Lastly, the Cooluli Vibe comes with a 1-year limited warranty and excellent customer support, ensuring that you have help at your fingertips if you need it. Overall, the Cooluli Vibe Mini Fridge is not just a refrigerator, it's a multifunctional device that caters to a variety of needs, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Its combination of cooling and warming features, portability, and practical design makes it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their daily routine. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.